I know it's a little unusual when you don't really have to have a jacket in the afternoon in late December in Austin.
You're right, and 68 was the high today. It'll be even warmer as we head to New Year's Eve. Good news. The timing's real good this weekend. More on that in a moment. Quick look outside. Sky is clear. A little chilly tonight. We're at 55 degrees currently. Our planning forecast makes it quite a bit colder, though, by morning. We'll start the day in downtown, maybe as cold as 38 or 39, but about a 20-degree warm-up by noon tomorrow. And then tomorrow afternoon should be right about where we were today, just super 68, maybe 69 degrees. Out in the hill country, already down to 41 in Llano. You folks will likely see a light freeze in the morning. A little bit warmer off to the east. Burnet 47, 42 in Marble Falls. Metro area, cold spots, Georgetown. That's not too unusual. They're at 46. 52 degrees out around Lake Travis, 55 degrees in Cedar Park. And in our eastern counties, looking at several 50-degree readings right now. Austin's officially 55, but it is significantly colder out at the airport. We'll likely see a freeze at Bergstrom in the morning. 41 degrees there already. Clear skies, light winds, relatively dry air. Sunrise in the morning, 7:26. Pollen count today, mold back into the high category, but the bigger story for many of you is cedar. It's low today at 22, but we expect those counts to steadily increase as we head toward January, the peak month for cedar pollen here in Central Texas. 45 in Dallas, 37 up in Amarillo. Lubbock at 36. It's 51 down in San Antonio, 52 in Corpus Christi. Clouds we had in the sky this morning. Cleared pretty quickly. We've enjoyed lots of sunshine in the afternoon and now clear skies tonight. Our last rain-making system is finally winding down in New England tonight, and it may be our last one for a while. The storm track is shifting now to the north. That active southern branch of the jet stream has disappeared. That means that we're expecting drier than normal weather now, not only in the 7-day forecast that you'll see in a minute, but beyond that. This is the 8 to 14-day outlook, which takes us to January 11th. Much of the country, all of Texas, expected to be drier than normal. And then look how big of a chunk of the country expected to also be warmer than normal through that same time frame. There are a lot of folks that won't mind that too badly in the second week of January, which is in a lot of locations typically the coldest period of the year. Well, between now and New Year's Eve, not much is going to change. Our skies are going to stay clear. We'll still have cold mornings in the morning and again Friday morning. Then it'll be a little milder Saturday morning. The afternoons just get progressively nicer and nicer all the way through New Year's Eve. That cold front, if we have our timing down correctly, won't come in until New Year's Day. Maybe in the morning, but it looks very likely now that we'll get in all the New Year's Eve festivities, including the big fireworks display over Lady Bird Lake at 10 o'clock Saturday night with very pleasant weather. Short sleeve, or not, maybe not short sleeve, maybe jacket weather, but a light jacket or a sweater. That'll be about all you'll need. Now tonight, more like a winter coat. In the morning, low and mid-30s, maybe upper 30s in Metro. Let's go mid-60s to upper 60s tomorrow afternoon. Austin clear tonight in 39 with a northwest wind. Tomorrow afternoon, 68. Lots of sun. Southwesterly winds return tomorrow. That'll result in a warming trend both in the mornings, but especially in the afternoons. 72 on Friday. We may have a high of 74 or 75 degrees on New Year's Eve. But the first day of the new year, that cold front will blow in. And it will be colder. In fact, I may be a little too warm in these temperatures based on what we're seeing right now. We'll be optimistic and keep it at least at 50 on Monday, but we may not even get there. Be sure you join us over on KXAN, where our news begins at 4:30 every morning, and we always bring you weather and traffic every 10 minutes.